to fix Cash App dispute not being reviewed. So to fix the Cash App dispute that is not being reviewed, if you are on Android device, go to your phone setting, select apps, find Cash App, and then tap clear cache. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Cash App, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, tap an update to get the latest version of Cash App. Now on your iOS device, what you can do is go to the existing Cash App on your iOS device, tap and hold on it, then tap remove app, and then tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go to your Apple App Store, find the Cash App, and then download it again to clear persistent glitches. Now the next thing what you can do is open the Cash App. Now let me tell you guys, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Cash to walk you through the process, since I can't access the Cash App or website in my region. Now tap the Activity tab on your home screen and then select the disputed transaction to see if an update or message is pending. Now the next thing what you can do is contact in-app. Just tap your profile icon on the Cash App home screen in the top right corner, then select support and then tap chat at the bottom to start a direct chat about your stuck case. Speak directly with the representative by calling the official support line. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.